This one's a different one. I call this a song about my girlfriend, even though Anne wrote it. We met at 3:15, found we were good company. By 6 we were flirting and she was inserting her hand in the crook of my knee. By 9 we were sharing a kiss. By 10 we were writhing in bliss. We slept at 11, I dreamed it was heaven until I was wakened by this. She snores, she's a wonderful lady, but she snores. I would like her to stay, but it sounds like that storm when it crashes and rumbles and roars when she snores. I asked her to go, but she cried and promised she'd sleep on her side. But then once again she reached for me, and when she was done I was jelly inside. So I asked her if she'd like to stay. She moved in the following day. Our love life was cozy, our home life was rosy, till night when the shit hit the hay. She snores, she's a wonderful lady, but she snores. I would like her to stay, but it sounds like a rhino being dismembered by boars when she snores. My eyes became puffy and red. My body felt heavy as lead. My legs wouldn't hold me. The boss finally told me to go home and get into bed. A light bulb went on in my head. I'll transfer to 3rd shift, I said. I'll work from 11 p.m. until 7 and sleep in the daytime instead. She snores, she's a wonderful lady, but she snores. But I'd send her away, but she gives such sweet love. Now I'm well on my way out of doors when she snores. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anne.
Y'all give her some love. Jane in the house. Give her some love.
Yeah,
Jane in the house.